Assalamu alaikum, my name is Malik Haj Muhammad Saeed and this is lab assignment number 1. Design and simulate pneumatic and hydraulic system using automation studio software for automation. Beginning with task 1 explaining the system operation. So the sequence begins with cylinder A advancing to hold the sheet metal. After it's hitting the A1 limit switch, the directional valve for this one will activate to activate the cylinder B for the riveting operation. After it finishes, it will retract hitting B0 limit switch, which will followed by the retracting of cylinder A. As we can see here in the simulation, after we hit the push button, so we can see the system is working as we explained. And that's it from me. Thank you so much.
Hi, hello, this is Ibrahim Matraf going to task number 2. This is a simulation of a hydraulic system for an excavator designed to control its digging, lifting, and moving operations. The system uses hydraulic cylinders, directional control valves, and a hydraulic pump to provide precise and powerful control. First, we're gonna start the simulation. Here we see the bidirectional motor. Once we turn it on to its max, we can see that there is a flow goes here, and this is the speed of the flow. This is the second cylinder, and once we turn it on, we can see also a changing in the speed. And so this is the second cylinder. Once we turn it on, we also have a changing in the speed. This is the two cylinders. We're gonna turn it on, and the same things happens, which is the increasing in the total speed. The speed of the flow speed will stop once the cylinders goes for its fully extended mode. To reverse it, we're gonna reverse this to the other side, and we can see that the flows goes to the other side. Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on the third task. I'm Mohammed Amardini, and now I'm going to explain task 3, which is about a pick and place machine using an electro-pneumatic system. As we all know, this system automates the sequence of operations required to pick an object from one location and place it in another location. And as we can see here, the sequence begins when the start button here is pressed, activating K1, and cylinder 1 will start to extend. Once cylinder A reaches its limit, K2 is activated, and cylinder A will start to retract. Same goes for cylinder B in terms of extending and retracting to continue the sequence. And the process proceeds with cylinders C, D, E, and F following a controlled order based on the activation. And finally, the system returns to its initial state after completing the cycle. So now let's press the start button to see the full sequence. Okay, I think that's all we have. Thank you so much and goodbye.